It says the survey reveals that the sales of smartphones is increasing considerably. The average sales of smartphones in millions of units n years after the survey is conducted is modeled by the function p below. The parameter b is an unknown positive base. Which statement is true about this situation? Well, the only information that we really have is this 1.7, right? Because b is unknown, n is unknown, the value of p evaluated at n is unknown. So really the only thing we know is that when the survey, remember the 1.7 is the initial condition. So if I were to write this in words, I would say when the survey was initially conducted, the average sales of smartphones was 1.7 million units. And that's it. That's all there is to that one.